Hello everyone, my name is Shaurya Gupta, and in this video I'll discuss the top mistakes that we should avoid in a resume. First is unrelated work experience. When writing your resume, list the work experience and the skills that are quantitative and specifically related to the job position that you're applying to. Your work experience should showcase your skills and achievements that the hiring manager can see you bringing to their own organization. If your past roles appear unrelated, you might consider listing just the skills and accomplishments that can be relevant to the job rather than all the responsibilities that you had at that point. Another one is not providing enough detail. Typically, when professional experience is listed on a resume, it should include 3 to 5 details that showcase how you were successful in your last role. Including less detail than this may cause a potential employer to look past your resume, as vague detail may not give them enough evidence to show why you are a good fit for their organization. Consider your wording as action verbs that show what you have accomplished can help ensure you are providing enough information about your skill. And one big obvious mistake that we do is using the same resume for all our applications. When submitting job applications, it is important to format your resume so that it relates specifically to the job that you're applying for. If you use a generic or the same resume for every job application you submit, you may appear lazy or unconcerned about the job. You can avoid this mistake by adjusting your resume to fit each job application or each job description. It may mean a little bit more work, but writing a targeted resume can allow potential employers to truly get a sense of how you will fit the position.